Konec leta pa je tudi čas, ko različne potrošniške organizacije povedo, kako smo se kot kupci obnašali skozi celo leto. Nekakšen preslek vseh ugotovitev pa je, da smo bombardirani z bistveno preveč informacijami, da zato virom informiranja ne zaupamo več tako, kot smo nekoč, in predvsem, da se zato najraje odločamo za preverjene blagovne znamke. V svetu avtomobilizma pa to pomeni, da tudi, kar se oblike tiče, sledimo tistim, ki imajo najdaljšo zgodovino oblikovanja.
In ki so najlepše. Dizajn je tisti, oziroma oblika je tista, lepi avti se prodajajo. In zato smo danes v Moderni galeriji, kjer imajo en del posvečen slovenskim ustvarjalcem. In to, kar je lepo, ne samo, da se prodaja, ampak se tudi kopira.
Beautiful design is recognized worldwide. There's many design icons which are regarded in different cultures with the same passion and acceptance.
Tudi na Kitajskem, pa v Ameriki in še kje. Tako kot so Kitajci prepoznali lepoto iskrinega telefona in ga zato skopirali, se še danes, tudi v dobi interneta, redno dogaja, da lepo oblikovani izdelki dobijo svoje klone na drugem koncu sveta. Nekateri vzamejo samo kak delček. Tale prestižni Hyundai ima recimo Mercedesov zadek. Kijina Cadenza luči Audi A4, ameriški Lincoln pa se zgleduje po Audiju Q5. In kdo je jajce, ter kdo kokoš, v primeru Volva XC90 in koncepta Tell You Right. Švedi ali Korejci. Pri tem je presenetljivo, da kopiranje ni bolj regulirano, kajti so znamke, ki so ukradle še precej več. Recimo Range Rover Evoque ima v Aziji dvojnika, ki se sploh ne trudi zakamuflirati kraje. Predvidevamo, da je Toyota imela koristi, ko je na Sicilijo prodala nekdanjega Rava. Težko pa to rečemo za kombinacijo Megana Cabrio in Mercedesa CLK ali pa za kitajskega Smarta. Niti si ne predstavljamo, da sta za isto mizo sedela Geely in Rolls-Royce. Se pa lahko vprašamo, kaj se ima za pritoževati nemški lastnik ponaredka, ko mu je ta zarjavel po nekaj 10.000 kilometrih. Original je pač original in oblika originalov je pogosto tako zelo kompleksna, da je prepisovalcem nedoumljiva. Oblika pogosto vsebuje podrobnosti, ki so plod dolgotrajnih meritev, gore izračunov, že samo za dosego aerodinamičnih učinkov dizajnerji in inženirji skupaj prebijajo nešteto ur v vetrovnikih in klimatskih komorah. Res, v vrhunskih oblikovalskih izdelkih ima prav vsak potek svinčnika svojo zgodbo, svojo idejo, svoj namen. Na nekaj praktičnih primerih vam torej ponujamo vpogled v Akademijo oblikovanja.
We have here the shoulder, the tornado line and the main body side. Yeah? The tornado line is the sharp line that runs from the taillight all over the car to the headlight. But then we took a sharp knife and cut something out of this volume. And by cutting this out, we created a signature. But we also created some visual effects. We have here a shoulder line, and here we have also a shoulder line way lower, so it makes the shoulder above the wheels really high. It's a visual effect. It's like a football player. The football player has the shoulders really high, and the head looks like it's sitting in the body.
Pulled the hood slightly further forward. We've made it higher. Everyone likes to make things lower because they think it looks more sporty, but actually we've done the complete opposite. It goes higher here to make sure that the line running down the body can accelerate much faster and give the car much more speed and length. So in actual fact, by going against the rules, we've actually made the car even sportier.
Here, this design line is with contrast color, and this gives the car an off-road character, because if you have this black and also this here black, then you lifting up the whole car from the ground. Also you give the wheels more space, so it looks off-roadish. And then if you have everything in body color, the car gets closer to the wheels, the car gets closer to the floor, to the ground, and it's a complete different appearance with the same geometry of car.
The old car had these two lines, one over the front fender, one over the rear, which had a great bounce and great dynamic to it. But we want to give a much more composed, accelerating look to the future of Kodo. So for that reason, the body surfaces are much more simple, as you can see through the body side. But the trick is to make sure that the right balance point of this line gives you the possibility to aim all the way down the body side and give the impression that the car is much longer than it really is.
We play with a lot of optical effects. So I just explain you on the roofline. It looks so chopped, it looks so low because we extended this dipping down roofline with the shut line of the C post, supported also with this long spoiler. And we compressed the C post because we cut it here and here. So the whole cabin looks so low, but it isn't. It's just a visual effect. When you sit inside, you have a lot of head clearance. Yeah. Also, the rear window, because the shadow of the spoiler is quite big. The window looks so compressed, so low, and this makes the car extremely wide.
We made a conscious decision to say we want to take our inspiration from traditional Japanese aesthetics, where purity and simplicity is so important. So what we've discovered is that there is such an energy from this traditional aesthetics, and we're now bringing that into, in this particular case with the new CX-5, we're bringing very strongly that feeling of purity. So we call it beauty through subtraction. So a question of what you can leave off rather than what you put on. And that is one of the key reasons why the purity and simplicity of this vehicle comes across really strongly.
But this is not minimalism.
It's definitely not minimalism, because then you take away the soul of the vehicle as well. So on one side we have the pure aesthetics, simplicity. On the other side, Kodo means soul of motion. We will always develop Kodo. So how do you get the character and the spirit of motion and purity together? That's a really tricky balance. So you take away too much, you lose the spirit. You don't take away enough, it looks too complicated.
The people who should drive our new Q2 are the young people. And then I thought about the stone in the river. You know, the stone that went down thousands of kilometers down the river. They are somehow soft and washed and round, and every stone looks like the stone next to it. But the stone in the beginning of the river, where the river is young, the stones are with a lot of edges and corners and sharp lines, and every stone is individual. And this is what I wanted to show in the Q2.